Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're going to start by making sure the basics won't block Safari. First, check iOS and free storage so the system can display apps properly. Once done, swipe to the app library and use the search bar to find Safari. This confirms it's installed. Make sure screen time or content restrictions aren't hiding Safari. If Siri and search options are off for Safari, enable them now so the system can suggest and surface the app where expected. Now move Safari back where you want it. In the app library, press and hold the Safari icon and pick Add to Home Screen. That places a shortcut immediately. If you found Safari via search, drag it to any visible home screen page and drop it into position. Make sure no folder is hiding it. Open likely folders and long press to rearrange. Use Edit Home Screen to unhide pages if they were turned off, because hidden pages will prevent icons from appearing. If Safari still won't reappear, take final steps to restore it. Restart your iPhone first. A reboot often forces the home screen to refresh. If Safari was removed via settings, note Safari is a built-in app. Update iOS or reset home screen layout in settings right arrow general to return default icons. As a key troubleshooting tip, make sure screen time and content and privacy restrictions aren't blocking Safari. Toggle them off and check again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.